Mountain. Today I'm in the Sperrin Mountains, and probably as far north as you can get in the Sperrin Mountains. So this is St. Aidan's Church, and it's a really cool place to start this walk up to the top of Binevenagh Mountain. And you can just about, hopefully you can see the cliffs of Binevenagh away up there, up above the forest. So this is a really cool walk, starting from St. Aidan's and going up through the forest, and then you're at the base of the cliffs. And there's a climb up, there's different options, but you climb up the top of the cliffs, and then there's a really cool walk up along the top of the cliffs with views out over Loch Foyle, over the Donegal. And then it's dropping down and walking back along the base. So that's the plan for today. It's quite grey and windy today, but very mild. I think last night was about 16 degrees, and this is the end of December, so it's really mild. So if it's windy here, it should be even windier up top. I'm in the forest, and you can see this sort of roots of this beech tree, and someone has been doing a bit of bushcraft, and you can see they've been making a wee bit of a shelter. I don't know if they've slept in it or not, but it's quite cool looking actually, and this is quite a cool wee wood. Lots of beech trees. That's me up through the forest. So it's just about 15-20 minutes, but you do rise up quite a bit. And even though it's been really wet, the track's still pretty good, so it's not too difficult. And I'm nearly out now under the open mountain and just below the cliff. Just about looking what way will I get up, how easy or hard will it be. walking along the base of the cliffs. Quite a steeply climb to get up to the base, and it's really windy here. The wind's gusting around below the cliffs, just about keep my hat on. So you can see out here, this is Loch Foyle, and that's Donegal there, and you can see that's Sleeve Snap, the highest mountain away there in the distance. Just going round the cliffs, there is a couple of wee sort of options. I haven't been up here before, so there's a cool wee stream coming down here, and I might just follow this gully up to see if I can get me up to the top. It looks like it's doable, but we shall see. How the gully narrows. It looks pretty doable. Not too much water coming down. Don't think it'll be one to try then. But nice wee bit of scrambling. And you can see out there, there's actually a ship coming down Loch Foyle, if you can see that. Here's some poor sod's tent that's blowing down. Hopefully there was nobody in it whenever it came down here, but this is really, really cool wee bit of scrambling. A bit of a narrow bit here, but it should be okay. So I've reached the top of the gully, and you know what, there ain't no way out of it. There's a really cool wee waterfall at the top here, so I'm going to have to go back down, but that's okay. It was a really, really cool wee scramble up. See, there's a big fresh rock fall here. If you look up there, you can see the rock where it's come off. So quite impressive. So this is gully number 3, and this is one I've been up before. So no problem getting up here, but those other two just had rock faces just at the final leg, maybe about 20 feet high, and just slippery rock, wet rock, so they weren't happening. But this is me, just another few feet to get up here. And in the gullies there's a wee bit of shelter from the wind. Down there it would actually blow the head off you. Hear the wind going up through the trees. It's really somebody went today, so it's just blasting straight up onto the top of Binevenagh here. So that's the summit up there, and there's a wee trig pillar, and it's 385 metres. There's a bit of an aerial up there, so there's actually a guy up there with the headphones and all in. I don't know what he's tuned into. I don't think it's Radio 1 now, but he must be getting some signal up there. But yeah, it's still really cool. So there's a walk along the cliffs now, right across Binevenagh, and I'll drop down and walk along the base. This is Binevenagh Lake, right up the top of the mountain, and you can actually drive up here, and there's a car park. It's probably a good way to get up and explore and do the loop walk I'm going to do, except cut out the wee bit from the church up through the forest. So there's a few other people up here today. There was a few cars, they've disappeared, and there's a few other people just walking up along the cliffs. That's me dropping down again. We'll drop down through the forest, and then there's a track that'll go back along the base of the cliffs. And you can see out here, that's the Northampton coast, and that's McGilligan Strand. There's a really about probably five miles of beach runs all across there before it reaches Lough Foyle and Donegal. It's me back in the forest, so about 15 minutes probably back to the car. So today's been probably about 10 kilometres in about 4 hours, and it's still really windy, although again you wouldn't know it down here in the forest, except for the tops of the trees swaying. It was really cool today to try out a couple of different gullies, even though they didn't need to be to the top, but it was a good bit of exploring. So a really cool day. And Binevenagh always is. It's a fantastic mountain. Once you get on the top, it's just lovely flat walking and loads of really cracking views. So yeah, really cool day.